Desert, 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 desert. Let us see the usage and difference between these two words. Desert is used as a noun, whereas desert can be used as a noun and as a verb also. Dessert means sweet food eaten at the end of a meal. Desert means it's an area often covered with sand or rocks where there is very little rain and not many plants. There are other words which give the same meaning as dessert. They are pudding, pud, sweet, sweet food, afters. And the synonyms for desert when it is used as a verb are abandon, leave, leave behind, give up, cast off, empty, uninhabited, unoccupied, unpeopled, abandoned, evacuated, vacant, untenanted. These are all the words which give the same meaning as desert when it is used as a verb. Let us see the usage of dessert in sentences. The first one, would you like peaches and cream for dessert? So which one you prefer? Peaches and cream, both are one. That is what? As a sweet. Second one, if you make the main course, I'll make a dessert. So you prepare main food, I prepare dessert. So afters. In sentence 1 and 2, dessert is used as a noun. Let us see the usage of desert in sentences. The first one, they were lost in desert for 9 days. In the place, in desert, in the barren area, they were lost. So desert in this sentence is a noun. Second one, we feel our public representatives have deserted us, left us, abandoned us. So here deserted is used as a verb. Left us. It's a feeling of most of the people in the country right now in this pandemic. Third one, the tourists have deserted the beaches. So they left the beaches. They vacated the beaches. So here deserted is used as a verb. So desert can be used as a noun only, whereas desert can be used as a noun and a verb also. So dessert is a sweet food eaten at the end of a meal, whereas desert is an area covered with sand with a little rain.